Hello everyone and welcome to another ship spotting video. This one's a little bit different. I normally don't do voiceovers, but depending on how this goes, maybe we'll do this more often. But today we've got a 3-ship day here on the Space Coast here in Port Canaveral. Carnival Vista, Wonder of the Seas, and the MSC Seashore all heading out today with a 3:30 departure for Vista, 4:30 for Wonder, and 5 o'clock here for the MSC Seashore as we continue our drive around the port. And of course, leave a like, subscribe, and continue to follow along for all of these videos. And of course, all of the Star of the Seas content coming out really soon or already out. So if you are on any of these ships here on August 3rd of 2025, definitely let me know down in the comments. Or if you've sailed on any of these ships before, I definitely wanted to come out today, especially because this is one of the last chances I'm going to have to see Wonder of the Seas here in Port Canaveral, as she's heading down to the port of Miami to be home ported there now for 3 and 4 night cruises to the Bahamas, now that Star of the Seas will be taking her place here in just a few weeks of this being recorded. But by the time you guys see this, Star of the Seas will be here, and I will probably be on board, which is even more exciting. But anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sit back, relax, and let's go ahead and watch Carnival Vista set sail bound for Celebration Key. As the MSCC shore heads out to sea bound for Ocean Key, let me know what your thoughts are on the voiceover ship spotting videos. Definitely wanted to try something a little bit new. Things feel a little stagnant with these lately. But let me know down below in the comments what your thoughts are. And of course, be sure to like if you did enjoy it. Subscribe for more upcoming ship spotting content and Star of the Seas content, Utopia stuff, all sorts of cruises coming up very soon. I'm very excited for it. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.